Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your client login portal screen for your membership site. Now, in a previous video I talked about how to customize your membership site and your courses yourselves. This is going to strictly focus on the portal right here. If you're looking to customize the inside of your site like this, that is covered in another video where I show you how to put up your first membership site. This is strictly going to talk about the actual login page on the portal, which is the page before somebody here logs in. So in order to access that, we're not going to be in the membership tab. We're going to be in the sites tab, and then we're going to be over here in the client portal where we have the branding tab right here. In here, you're going to be given your portal name. You're going to go over to here and you're going to go portal name. You'll brand it, call it something cool. Now I'm going to save and refresh as things go along so you can see exactly where it takes place. So portal name is over to here. And what we're going to do is we're going to refresh the page. Your portal name is going to show right there. And you'll notice that you're only limited here to 20 characters, so you have to call it something that's a shorter name. Then your portal description, explain your portal here. And again, we're going to come all the way down. We're going to save, and then I'm going to show you, refresh it. The explain is right through there. Then what you're going to do here is you're going to talk about your brand colors. So I'm going to use lead Vortex colors here. If we come into here, if you know your hex codes, it makes it really, really easy. It makes it easy to remember. There's the hex code there, and we're going to save the settings. So brand color 1 is going to be in this kind of gradient that's over here. It's going to form a gradient, and it's going to be your login color button here. So if I wanted to do something here, I'm going to use something that's a lot really different in contrast. It might not actually look good, but I want to actually prove a point. So we're going to go over there. We'll use that really, really bright green. We're going to save the settings there. And then you'll see, if we refresh the page, how it kind of creates this gradient across here, but nowhere else. So if you wanted to do something, again, that's a little bit extreme. But what we're probably going to do, if we go into here, and I'll go to here and use something that's a little bit more complementary. We'll save that. And again, you want to kind of play with this so you'll have a little bit of a different gradient here. Now, if you don't want to have this color gradient here, you can actually upload an image in that spot as well. What you want to do, though, is they all need to be 1:1. They all need to be square images, although you can kind of disregard the pixel max sizes. This little square image is all the same size, and I think it's 500 by 500. I'm going to save here, and then what will happen is if we refresh the page, it'll put the logo over here. You'll have the banner image here, and then you'll have your little favicon up here. So this kind of looks a little bit busy. So if you're going to use a picture here, make sure that it's a darker picture. Or what you can do is you can simply remove the portal image, resave it, and then you can just go with the color gradient, and then you'll have your little image, your little logo here, and then you'll also have the little favicon up top. Moving on down here, you're going to have your support email address. You're just going to put support@yourdomain.com. And then your copyright, you're just going to put your company name here. But make sure that you make it all spelled right, because this is going to show exactly how it is. And then if you save these settings here again, and what's going to happen now, we're going to refresh the page, and you're going to see it down here on the bottom. You're going to see your support email address, and you're going to see your company name. So that's all of the elements here in your support portal page. You've got your brand element color 1. You've got your brand element color 2 is in this nice gradient you can use here. And then you've got your logo, your favicon, and then your description, portal name. And then you've also got your support email and your company name down here. Overall, it should only take you a couple of minutes to do this. If you have a square image that you can use for your logo and your favicon, this is going to go really, really quick. So I went really slow for this video, but now you know how to do it, and you can knock this out in a couple of minutes. I will see you in another video.